Welcome to day 13, everyone. So day 13, we have coffee stickers. So for those of you who don't like coffee, I also included tea time scripts on here. And each of these mugs also have sparkle silver foil. So these are perfect for coffee dates or when you have tea, or I kind of use them sometimes when I go to like Starbucks to know if how many times a week I've gone. It's normally 1 or 2, but sometimes I do need to remember that I shouldn't have that much coffee. But anyway, so these are perfect for any time of the year. I will most likely have a version of this in the shop soon, but not specifically this sheet because of the fact that these have the scripts at the bottom. But stay tuned for that, and that's day 13. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 14.